Hey, what's up? We're gonna look at a lightly modified Razor pocket rocket. This is, I believe, a 2004 model. Put the light on there, and we just added an extra battery to this one. This one has iron foot pegs, and that's the extra battery in there. And we look at some electronics here. It's the way we have the back battery strapped up. These are the best things to use here. These rubber sort of like straps, because they're like stretch and hold the battery really tight in place, and still easy to change in. We got this wired series with a Kelly controller, 100 amps. Light can't really see this one, but maybe if I turn the light off, you can see the controllers. I can't really tell, but it is 100 amps. It's the Kelly KDS 3600. Pretty easy to wire it up. It's not your standard hookup. You got to strip all your wires and just put simple connectors in it. Hook them up to the tabs right here. Just joking. And also got a Magura throttle, but you need a rocket science degree to wire, because not Kelly or Magura know how to wire that to this type of controller, since it wasn't made for it. This is 0 to 5 volt output, even though the controller, this throttle is supposed to be as I think 0 to 5, no, 0 to 3K or something like that. I know, just hard to wire it up, but pretty simple. And ironically, we have the matching foot pegs to the Magura handle grips. That was a coincidence. I didn't even notice that. And all this is wired up to output 36 volts, powered by that 100 amp controller. And it's pretty important back here. It's actually made a hole, 2 holes right here, and just mounted this circuit breaker, because you're supposed to have an on and off switch between the battery and the controller, but this worked out to be pretty multifunctional. See if you can make it out here, but it's 90 amps with on and off switch. Well, this is connected, and if you need to turn it off in emergency, just push this button and it'll automatically kill any juice going into the controller. And funky here is it's key switched. This is actually not working. There's nothing feeding to it, but the key is definitely needed to start the bike. You can see there's actually no throttle output, but put this in here. Make sure that this is put in just into the controller. You can see. This thing easily does like 28 miles an hour on me, with me on it, which I'm like 155 pounds, and it's pretty fast. And there you have it. If you need any like tips on how to wire this together, just shoot me an email, and I can send you the wiring diagram and where to get these parts from, like this piece here. And of course, you could always get this from the Kelly website. It's not bad for $99. And these, one thing about these, definitely get the Razor ones. CSB and all the Chinese manufacturer batteries don't compare to the output of these Razor branded ones. For some reason, they've been tested better than the other ones. And we're gonna be doing some mods to this. All that space back here, we're definitely gonna have 12 amp hour batteries opposed to these 7s. And hope that helps. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. And this is my son's bike. It's pretty much stock. Only thing we did was add 2 12 amp hour batteries back here, and they hold pretty solid, like I mentioned, with these rubber. I mean, it really holds the battery down pretty tight, where you don't get that battery scratches from rubbing and bouncing around. I mean, they stay pretty solid with those, which I also used it here. As you can see, I mean, this battery, I mean, does not even budge an inch, not even a centimeter, because it wraps around the battery. Cool thing is that if you need to turn off the bike, can't reach the key or something, you know, that'll automatically just kill any juice to the motor, which is a pretty cool feature. April Dan actually told me about these from Planet Pocket Bike. Thanks, April Dan. He actually gave me all the wiring diagrams to put this together. He's pretty knowledgeable. You can shoot him an email, he'll answer anything. Yeah, that's April Dan at Pocket Bikes, Planet Pocket Bike. And that's about it. Any questions, just shoot an email and I can help you get this up. See ya.